It is Squish Life here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing Rare King's Court. So first off, the reason why I put Sophia v Squishies name in the title is because I was inspired by her to do this video. So I just wanted to make sure I give all the props to her because she inspired me to do this video. And another thing is, hopefully you guys enjoy the new intro. A fan actually made it for me, and of course they're getting extra giveaway entries. Her Instagram is e.vagrace_12. She made me an amazing intro, as you could see. I'm actually going to play it one more time right now because I just love it so much. Make sure you guys are subscribed also because my giveaway is ending at 12,000 subscribers and we are kind of really close to that, so the giveaway will be ending soon. And yeah guys, let's get on with the video. I'm gonna start by picking one squishy out of each of these giant bags, and I'm gonna decide which one I like better, and then that squishy is gonna move on to the next round. And yeah guys, all the squishies in these bags are rare, or they're just, people don't really have them because they're kind of like not around because they're rare. And yeah guys, so let's go. So the first two squishies that I have are these two squishies. Sorry about this band-aid. I know it's like really annoying. The next squishy that we have is, of course, this Bear Cupcake by iBloom. Of course, I'm gonna have to pick this Minty Luna because I like it a lot better and it's kind of cuter. Next, we have this Melon Banana. Mrs. Cool Z. I actually pick this Melon Banana. Next we have this Punimar Pumpkin. This smells just like grapes. It is like so amazing. Is this Pop Pop Sheep. It is like so slow rising. It is like literally not even rising, so I'm not gonna squish it again. And of course I'm gonna pick this Pop Pop Sheep. First is this Cocoa Sheep. And we also have this really big melon bread. This is the green version, if you couldn't already tell. I'm gonna have to pick this giant green melon bread. So, next we have two of my top 10 favorite squishies. First we have this Paw Paw Dog or Paw Paw Puppy by Pat Pat Zoo. It is super duper squishy. We also have this iBloom Peach. Actually have to pick this iBloom Peach for this one. Next we have this Polar Bear. this Punimar banana, the yellow version. This is probably one of my favorite smelling squishies. Of course, I'm gonna actually pick this Punimar banana. Next, we have this Millie the Whale and this medium Pop Pop sheep. This is probably one of my top 3 favorites. So obviously I'm gonna have to pick this one. Lastly, we have these two squishies, this lemon squishy kiwi squishy. And I'm probably gonna have to pick this kiwi squishy. This is a very tough decision, but yeah. Now we're on to round 2. I'm gonna be picking from the winners of the last round so we can find a final winner. I have all the squishies right on the floor right here, and I don't want to organize them, so I'm just gonna pick randomly, and let's go. Okay. From these two, I'm gonna pick this jumbo banana. From these two, I'm actually going to have to pick this jumbo banana also. These two, I'm going to have to pick this jumbo apple peach. Lastly, from these two, I'm gonna have to pick this medium Pop Pop sheep. Now I'm just gonna drop one by one because there's only 4 left. Yeah guys, there you have it. This jumbo apple peach is my favorite squishy out of all my rarer squishies. This is my 2nd favorite, and this is my 3rd favorite. So yeah guys, now you have my top 3 favorite squishies, but this one overall wins. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Squishy Life. Bye!